Yes, good morning. Today I am going to discuss MSET System 8 2019 question paper. First question. A bag contains 6 red, 2 white, 8 blue balls here. 3 balls are drawn from the bag. So then find the list of the matching, then find the probabilities of the 4 problems. See, total number of balls they given. One bag contains the 6 red, 2 white, and 8 blue balls. Total you have 6 plus 2 plus 8, that is 16 balls. You have drawn the 3 balls are drawn, that means N of S equal to 16C3. You are taking 3 balls from the 16 balls. So you have to select 3 balls from the 16 balls. That way number of ways is 16C3. Coming to first bit. Find the probability of none of them is white ball. Probability of none of them is white. So no ball is white. So the 3 balls you can select from the either red or blue. Either red or blue. So other than white, you have 6 plus 8, 14 you have. Other than 8, you have 6 plus 8, 14, C3. You are selecting 3 balls. So 6 plus 8, 14, C3 by total number of ways is 16, C3. Again I am repeating. None of the ball is white ball means you can select the 3 balls either from the red or blue. That means you have to select from the red or blue means total number of other than white are 6 plus 8, 14. From the 14 you can select the 3 balls. So 14 C3. 14 C3 means 14 into 13 into 12 by 3 into 2 into 1. 16 C3 means 16 into 15 into 13 by 14 by 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel it. You have to cancel. We get the answer 13 by 20. Second bit. What is asking? Probability of getting 2 blue and 1 white. Probability of getting 2 blue and 1 white. You have blue balls are 8. From the 8 you can select 2 blue balls, 8C2. And means 1 more white you have. From the 2 white balls you can select 1 white ball, 2C1. By total number of ways 16C3. You have to do the calculation. We get the answer 1 by 70. Third bit. Probability of getting 2. This is the third bit. Second bit. Probability of getting 2 white and 1 blue. And 1 blue. So this bit answer 8 into 7 by 2 into 1 into 2 by 16 into 15 into 14. 3 into 2 into 1. We get the answer 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Now 2 white and 1 blue. 2 white and 1 blue means from the 2 white balls you have to select 2 white balls, choose C2 ways. Into 1 blue means from the 8 blue you can select 1 white ball, 8C1. By 16C3 we get the answer you have. Second bit answer 1 by 70. Simplify, we get the answer 1 by 70. Fourth bit. Probability of getting 1 red, 1 blue, 1 white. 1 red, 1 blue, 1 white is to select 1 red ball from the 6 red ball, 6C1. 1 blue from the 8 blue, 8C1. 1 white from the 2 white, 2C1. By 16C3 we get 8 into 6 into 2 by 16 into 15 into 14 by 3 into 2 into 1. So final answer 16 into 15 into 14 by 3 into 2 into 1. We get the answer we have 6 by 35. Copy the problem. Coming to second question. in the town, in the town, the probability of that sick person may need to admitted to an ICU is 10%. In a town, the sick person can be admitted into the ICU. Sick person can be admitted into ICU is given 10%. The probability that a person getting admitted to ICU goes 5%, then the treat level raised. Then find the probability, minimum percent of the population of the town that should be fall sick in order to raise the treat level. I will take the required probability, I will take as X. Let X be the required probability. Let X be the required probability. I will take. So 10% of X is given 5. That means 10 by 100 of X equal to 5. 10 times X equal to 50% population. Minimum population is 50. They given, if the probability that a person getting admitted to ICU goes above the treat level raised, 5% is given. But in the city, how many members they admitted in ICU? 10% of the population. That means 10% of X is minimum have 5. So 10% means calculating 100. So 10 by 100 of X equal to 5. So X equal to 50% is the minimum population of the town should be fall sick in order to raise the treat level. 50% of the population, minimum population should fall sick in order to the treat level. Copy the problem. Coming to third question. A boy speaks truth is 3 out of 5. I will take that T be the event. Speaks truth. He will speak truth is P of T is 3 out of 5. That means 3 by 5. Then complement. That means P of lies. L means lies. That is 1 minus P of T. He doesn't speak truth. That means 1 minus 3 by 5. That equal to 2 by 5. Lies is 2 by 5. Speaking true is 3 by 5. If he throws a die, one die is throwing, tells that the number appear on it is 5. So I will take the probability of 5, actual 5 is 1 by 6. If a die is rolled, to get the 5 probability is 1 by 6. Not get the 5 probability, not 5 means complement, that is 1 minus 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. So probability of actually 5 by the Bayes theorem, he won't tell the speaks, he won't tell the truth, get the 5, or probability of 2, get the 5, probability of lies, not get the 5. So you can substitute the values 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 by 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 2 by 5 into 5 by 6. This model problem is very important in the objective point of view. You can do the calculation. We get 3 by 5 into 6 cancel. 3 by 3 plus 10. That is 3 by 13 answer. Copy that problem. Coming to the question, a pair of coin is tossed fixed number of times. They are not given the how many number of times he tossed. I will take the let n be the number of times is tossed. N be the number of times tossed. If the probability of getting 5 heads is equal to probability of getting 5 heads equal to probability of getting 7 heads. Probability of x equal to 7. Probability of getting 5 heads equal to probability of getting 7 heads. So you can use the probability distribution, binomial distribution. P is the probability of getting head is 1 by 2. When a coin is tossed, P is the probability of getting one head is 1 by 2. Q is not getting the head, that means 1 minus 1 by P, that equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. P of x equal to R formula, we know that P of x equal to R by the binomial distribution, NCR, Q power n minus R, P power R. P and Q both are equal to 1 by 2, that becomes the n by 2 whole power, NCR 1 by 2 whole power n. So substitute in the formula, NC5 1 by 2 whole power n equal to NC7 1 by 2 whole power n. Cancel. NCR equal to NCS. NCR equal to NCS. That means n equal to R plus S or R equal to S. Coming to 5 not equal to 7, then n equal to 5 plus 7, that equal to 12. Finally, they ask in the question, find the probability of getting 4 heads. Probability of getting 4 heads. That means probability of x equal to 4. That is NC4 1 by 2 whole power n. N is 12, 12C4 1 by 2 whole power 4. You have to do the calculation. We get the answer 495 by 4096. 495 by 4096 is the answer. Copy the problem. Coming to the last question today. In a Poisson varied P of x equal to R is e power minus lambda, lambda power R by R factorial. P of x equal to R is e power minus lambda, lambda power by R factorial. Given P of x equal to 2 is equal to P of x equal to 3. In place of R is now 2. So substitute in the formula e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factor. X equal to 3 means P of e power minus lambda, lambda cube by 3 factor. E power minus lambda, lambda cancel, 2 lambda square cancel. 1 by 2 equal to lambda by 6. 3 factor means 6. So lambda equal to 3. They asked to find P of x equal to 5. That is e power minus lambda, lambda power 5 by 5 factor. E power minus lambda means lambda value 3, e power minus 3, 3 power 5, 5 factor means 120. So that is e power minus 3 means 1 by cube. 3 power 5 means 81 into 3 by 3, 40 is 81 by 40. Yeah. 81 by 40 e cube answer. 1 3, 340 is 120, cancel it. 3 power 4 means 81 by 40 we have remaining. So this is a 2019 last paper. Next class I will explain the 2018. Today I will send the 2019 based on 2 videos. Don't miss the 2 videos and do the problems. Practice. All the best, Anna.